Hello there, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to our Samsung Galaxy adventure. Some screen protectors stuff. So this is by a company called I am blah 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 blah. It's the cheapest screen protector you can get on Amazon. And there it is. So yeah, it's like €10, and you get 3 screen protectors, and you get 3 of these lens protectors as well. So yeah, you know, fairly good price. So yeah, let's see if they actually work okay. So on the package here, we do have the 3 lens protectors. So as you can see, they are fairly fat. So that's good. I'll be trying one of those on. We have a cleaning cloth thing and some wet wipes, so I'll be using those as well. And then some more, and then some more. Yeah, so that's good. So each time you would use one of these, you know, to apply, which is really good. You have the frame to align it, which is good as well, pretty handy. And then you have the 3 protectors as well. And you have some paperwork as well. So here it's just saying that if it's fucked. Oh yeah, so here's the instructions. I mean, it's fairly straightforward, so we'll just go ahead without them. So I'll just grab one of them. Now the box came a little bit fucked, but luckily all the screen protectors are okay. So grab one. We'll try out one of these as well, so we'll put that aside. Alright, so I guess first things first is obviously take off the case. Christ almighty, okay, finally, holy shit. So yeah, fucking hell. Yeah, case costs about as much as the screen protectors. €14, pretty good case, you know. Not bad. Has a hard back-ish and soft shit on the outside, so it's good stuff. Now, since my phone is fairly dirty from all my fingers, I'm gonna first use a microfiber cloth to kind of get rid of most of it. I'll give the back and the front a good polish here. So first, let me check if this actually fits. So you'll see that there is like a top section here and there's arrows pointing up. So make sure that goes to the top. Like so. Let me see how this works. So yeah, it fits in and the black bar kind of goes over it. So yeah, that's good. Okay. Then if we look at the screen protector itself, you'll see that it does have like black bars around it, which I'm not really a fan of. But we'll see what it is, how it actually looks like. So let's open one of the cleaning supplies. Okay, so we have a dust absorber. Then we have the alcohol pad as well. And we have this thing too. So the same thing as the microfiber cloth. I'm going to give it a good clean here because that's fairly important when you're applying these things. Okay, so that should be good. I'm going to put this back in the box because I'll be using it for the lenses on the back of the phone as well. So that it doesn't, you know, dry out. Alright, now next thing is get this thing and then kind of wipe off the alcohol. Probably will be better if I turn the phone off, but it is what it is. Now next we're gonna apply this glass or this thing here, and then we can try using this thing as well, the dust absorber. So this, you could just kind of drag it along the top. Alright, so yeah, that should be fairly dust free now. Yep. So let's grab this boy. Get rid of that. Christ. And then we should just be able to slap it in. Let's see how that works. Yeah, I kind of fucked up the bottom piece of it. Hopefully it doesn't break. Oh, Jesus. Okay, there we go. That's a better fit. So for some reason, there is, you can't really see it, but yeah, there's just like a fucking tiniest scratch here for some reason. So fucking hell, one of them is not good. Let's try another one. Okay, let me wipe this phone again. All right, let's put this back. Let's put this shit back on. All right, let's grab this fucking thing to get all the kind of dust out. Well, actually, let's not grab that one. Let's just use this again. Okay, I think I'm gonna unbox another one of these. Because there's just non-stop dust for some reason. Okay, yeah, that looks good. So now, let me put it on. See, all the way to the top. And just kind of drop it in. Like so. We stop fucking around, come on. Okay, so now there is just one bubble here. Just need to massage it out. Christ, it's a fucking stubborn one as well. Then just two bubbles here at the bottom. Okay, yeah, so now that looks actually pretty good, apart from this one bubble. Let me see, let me grab this fucking thing. Will you stop turning on? God damn it, man. Okay. Jesus, that's a very stubborn one, what the fuck? I have never seen such a stubborn fucking bubble in my life. Maybe if I lift up the display a little bit, then lift it back down. Okay, yeah, that helped. Nice. Yeah, so now this is a good application here. Everything is like nice and level. Shame about the first one being fucked, but that's just life. Yeah, so that looks pretty good. Is it blocking the screen or anything? Don't think so. Okay, yeah, so I need to re-register my fingerprint, unfortunately, which is sad, but that's just the way it is these days. So, you'll obviously need to enter your password once. And then what you want to do is you want to head over into settings. You want to head over to your display. And you want to scroll down until you get to the part when it says touch sensitivity, and you want to enable that. And then you need to re-register your fingerprints again. So if you go into lock screen and security, then you just need to type in your password again. Yeah, and then if you go into wait, what the fuck? All right, maybe it's not here. Where the fuck? Okay, so it's in a different place. What the fuck? Yeah, so here's the fingerprints anyway. So what you want to do is remove all of them. Remove them. And then add them nicely. Oh shit, my bad. So the screen's protector shouldn't interfere with this, but looks like it might. Also, another thing is, you know the way the Samsung display was like fairly not glossy? Well, that's gone out the window. Oh goddamn, this fucking camera. Fuck's sake, like. Man, I do not know what the fuck is wrong with this camera. Like, it was fine, and now it's just fucked. So annoying. Holy shit. Alright, we're back again. Man, this camera is fucking retarded. Anyway, yeah, so as I was saying, so you can see the reflections now are pretty bad. So you know the way the S24 Ultra is supposed to have like the anti-reflective coating? Well, it does by default, but now that's all gone. It's like super reflective now. Yeah, so not great, but you know, it's worth having a screen protector so that your phone isn't fucked. I'm just gonna add the rest of them. Yeah, before it was a lot easier to add these fingerprints. And with the screen protector, it looks like it's a little bit more fucked. Gonna go back to this hand again. Yeah. I don't know about this, man. Like, it literally cannot fucking register it. Jesus. Again, spending an hour fucking registering fingerprints now, Christ. Okay, so let's try it out. Okay. 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 So yeah, looks like it's working fine. It just took a really long time to fucking register them. Also, how did the gestures feel? Yeah, you can feel it. You can feel the fucking screen protector when you're doing gestures. Let me turn off this fucking thing. Yeah. Yeah, you can feel it definitely kind of like digging into your skin, sort of. So yeah, there's also a gesture here. Okay, the gestures from the top aren't too bad, but it's kind of this one where you would, you know, kind of go back and stuff like that, where that would kind of doesn't feel the best. Yeah, so on this phone, it might be a good idea to use the film screen protector instead of the glass, because this one is like proper glass. So yeah, I will probably try a film if this annoys me too much. Yeah, it's kind of like cutting in. Okay, so anyway, so that looks fine, right? Let's go ahead and try this thing as well. Let's go ahead and try this thing. So I technically don't need it since my case is, you know, can kind of protects it as well. So it'll be also interesting to see if it actually works with the case as well. So let's give it a go. I'll take out this old alcohol wipe here. That's still wet, which is good. And just clean off the lenses real quick. And then I suppose I could clean off the stuff around the lenses as well. All right, so yeah, that looks fine now. Yeah, let me grab this one. Oh, Jesus. So yeah, it doesn't look like there's any dust, which is good. So yeah, that's good. Let's peel this out. Okay, so yeah, there's nothing. Wait a second. Okay, that looks fine. It was just dirty on the outside, which is fine. So let us stick this. Oh, Jesus. Okay. So it fits in perfectly, actually. Holy shit. That's a weird look, but it works. So wait, I didn't align it properly. All right, let me just kind of shove it a little bit. Let me see, can I peel this? Fuck's sake. And yeah, of course it landed on the fucking... Of course it did. Okay, great. So, I mean, this is why they send you 3, because fucking hell, you're gonna get it right eventually. Christ almighty. Jesus. Let's fucking clean this shit again. And my camera froze again. Fucking wonderful. Ah, dear lord. Alright, we're back. Great. Fucking fantastic. So, now let's try and align this fucking perfectly. Let me clean this shit again. I have no idea where all this tiny ass dust is coming from. Jesus, what the fuck? Okay. Let's go. Okay, come on. And yeah, I think I won't get better than that. That looks pretty good. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Yeah, let's go with 0.5. I'm just gonna test it out in the distance if I see anything weird. Yeah, alright, so yeah, the camera looks fine. The gestures are still a bit of a pain, but fuck it. We'll deal with it. Alright, so next thing is, we're gonna need to try and get this case back on and see if it works with the case. It should, but you never know. So I'm gonna kind of do this. And then, okay, I can hear some shit. Let me see. Is it this shit that's falling apart? I can hear some shit like disconnecting. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open this case and kind of try and drop it in or something. I don't know, man. Like, okay, so yeah, overall looks fine. Looks fine. Okay. So case is on, mostly. Yeah, it's a little bit like you can see the screen protector is kind of pushing it out of the way. How's the back doing? Yeah, the back actually looks pretty good. It looks like I have a black fucking phone now instead of the purple one. So I don't know if that's good or bad, but that's just how it is. I can also close this just fine as well, which is good. That's what I was sort of worrying about, but it seems to be okay. So yeah, that's good. The case itself though, I don't know, it feels like it's lifting it up. Do you know what? It should be fine. Let's see, do we have bump? Yeah, so we do still have a bump here, so you can see like the screen is still protected by the case a little bit with the bump. So if I were to put this straight down on the table, so I'm just gonna use the wooden bit. Yeah, so it still kind of hits the case instead of the glass, which is good. So yeah, that looks like it's good to go. So yeah, nice and fully protected. And the fingerprint still works just fine. So yeah, pretty decent screen protector installation. It's a shame that one of them was cracked. So it had a weird fucking scratch on it, so that's fine. A shame that this one fell on the floor, otherwise it was fine. But yeah, overall, fairly decent screen protector for the price, you know, the cheapest you can get, and it actually works fine. Oh yeah, so one more thing I forgot to mention is the S Pen also works very well, so we give it a try here. I have a lightsaber effect, so when the S Pen is removed. So yeah, we just like tap it and you're on screen to open up a note. Yeah, so yeah, S Pen works pretty well with the Notes app as well. So yeah, that is pretty good. Everything is working as it should. Alright, thank you boys for watching, and bye bye.